today I'm gonna show you scrolling animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is the background picture and I create some text. I will write a year date. Then fix the scale and align. Once the alignment is done, we will come to the effect and search Gaussian blur and leave it the top of layer. And we will go effect control and turn on the position and Gaussian blur keyframes. 3 seconds forward to move the text to the end. Then come to the middle and make the Gaussian blur on 180. And change the horizontal. Then come to the beginning and mark the place. Then increase the max feather as you wish. Then we come to the position keyframe. I will select this keyframe and make it is in and is out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.